We now number
6.
6.
The cup has a gun.
Very good. Question.
Who has a gun?
Oh, who has a gun?
The cup.
Very good. Number 7.
The tub has 6 ducks.
Very good. Oh, question. Where's the question? Read it.
Here.
Oh, go.
Where
Very good. Galing na.
are
Very good.
the 6 ducks?
Oh, where are the 6 ducks?
In the tub.
Very good. Galing ah. Number 8. Galing naman ang baby na yan.
The hat is on the hill.
Oh, question.
Where is the hat?
Galing nga. Oh, galing mag-read ah. Where's the hat?
On the hill.
Galing ah. Galing naman ng baby na yan. Ready na talaga mag-kinder. Oh, this one. Number 9.
The bus has 10
Nuns.
nuns.
Very good. Oh, question. This one.
Who,
This is how.
how,
Okay. Next word. Many.
many months
Very good. Are.
are in the bus?
Very good. Oh, how many? How many nuns are in the bus? The bus has.
The bus has
Oh, you read this. This. Read.
the bus has 10 nuns.
Oh, how many? How many nuns are there?
10.
Very good. Oh, this one. Let's go to number 10.
The bag has a gun.
Very good. Oh, question.
Where
Very good.
is the gun?
Oh, where's the gun? In the.
In the
Here. You read.
the bag has a gun.
Very good. Oh, where is it? Where is the gun?
in the bag.
Very good. In the bag. Ang galing ah. Yay! You're so ready to go to school. Very good.
Yes po, a big school po. When
Yes.
I'm 16 years old or 5 years old po, first I need to go to Kuya Lay's school po.
Yes.
The kinder po, but that's not Kuya Lay's school po.
Mm.
That's my school. But when was Kuya Lay a kid po, he used that school po. Now he's not po. Now he's grade 1 po.
No, he's already grade 5.
I thought grade 1 po.
No.
But some is grade 1 po. He's the one to have a grade 1 po.
Yes. You say bye-bye na to everyone.
Bye everyone. If you like my video, and I'm gonna go to kinder, and Chloe's gonna invited me to my own school, the big school. But I don't like Chloe to be shy. Bye everyone. Send it to my classmate.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.